Hey guys, my name is Austin Kong with Augusta out here. We are here doing a huge property cleanup right now. I got my guys Mitchell and Nick over here with me. But right now, what we got going on, Nick just got done trimming up this hedge right now. As you can see, we got these other beds over here. There's debris in them, but before that, there was overgrown grass plants, dead, unhealthiness. At first, we raked everything out and got everything out. As you can see, there's still debris in there. Nick just got done trimming those guys up. Right now what we're doing is cleaning up what we have out, getting it into the truck, and then moving our way to the back. And then also taking all this debris and junk out, including all this ivy and everything up to the fence. With all this ivy, we'll be taking all this ivy, knocking all of it down, same with these rhodies and hydrangeas, trimming everything up, giving it space, cleaning it up, making it look nice. And then all this right here, as you can see, there's like pea gravel. It's like 5/8. We're gonna use 5/8 clear crush. Clear all this out, take everything out, and then refresh all this gravel to have a nice fire pit around it. But all this, taking everything out, ripping it all out, trimming these guys up, cleaning it off of the sidewalk, pushing it all the way back. And then same with all this ivy as well. Trimming this and taking it all the way back. And then you got your red cedar hedge right now. That gorgeous guy over there is about to cut and go to town on it. And then as we wrap our way up, we got a gravel pathway that we'll need to knock down all the weeds, pull those out, then spray, and then we'll refresh the gravel after that. And then same with all this right here, knocking down the weeds, pulling them out, then spraying, going all the way up. And then not doing too much on this guy other than taking it back, giving it a nice clear path for people to come through, and then also just to get it off the driveway. And then same with just all this debris, knocking it down, raking it all out, spraying, and then taking it all out. And then
back where we started?
Back where we started, basically just cleaning up after ourselves now.
Nice. Whew. A lot of debris.
Yeah.
It's a couple dump trailers full?
We'll probably get 3, if not 2. We'll probably overfill 1. Hey guys, so it's Austin and Nick here. We're just finishing up on a big project. Just kind of going over a couple things, waiting for the client to get back. But just a couple things that we usually try to aim for is hitting P for P, and for today we couldn't. Went a little bit over budget on time, and then also a little over budget on the product, and not using what was on the original quote. But yeah, no, other than that, just trying to figure out and get all the right info back to the office, so then our estimator can go over all that stuff, and we all can just learn and grow from it at the same time.
Yeah, performance pay is great. It works out 99% of the time, but there's a variety of variables that could make it to where you go way over on a job. And this, for instance, it's our new estimator's, it's probably the biggest job that he's budgeted so far. Lots of moving parts. Just the work itself, everything was super overgrown, all the beds super covered, and it's hard to even come up with a number for something like that. So P4P is great, but everyone that is on P4P understands that it's impossible for it to work out 100% of the time. And it stays like this where you just kind of have to like accept the fact that you're going way over, and the pay period, since there are so many budgeted hours on this job, your week's worth of pay is going to be skewed downwards because of it, even if you had a couple really good days during the week. So yeah, it's important to realize if you are going to be on performance pay, what comes first is a team and just accomplishing the goal for the customer. So just getting the job done. So that's the most important. Nobody gets upset with each other, and we all just, you know, like Austin was saying, we go back to the office, we talk about it, what went right, what went wrong, what we could do differently next time, and we just move on.